Good afternoon, Las Vegas brokers and realtors. I'm Jeremy Lewis, realtor of the Crighton Rinaldi team for 17 years now at Rothwell Gornt Companies. We're going to be putting on a fantastic broker open here at our exclusive Trump Tower penthouse listing, Unit 6303, on September 23rd. 6 to 8 p.m. Yes, September 23rd, 6 to 8 p.m. You're not going to want to miss this. You think this is fantastic, amazing, it's gorgeous, it's huge? Yes. Stay tuned, watch the rest of this video. One of a kind, north-south strip views. It's amazing, it's going to blow your mind. I'm here with the head of the residential division at Rothwell Gornt Companies, Ryan Crighton. I'm blown away. I don't even know what to say. I'm gonna let you take it.
Let me take it. Everybody, I can't wait to see you guys next Thursday. I want to personally invite you to our broker open. Frank, Jeremy, we are so excited to share this unit with you, and not only this unit, but these amazing, extraordinary views. Next Thursday, September 23rd, from 6 to 8 p.m. See you then.
We'll see you then.